Hello, this is Brandon Stauffer with Iron Point Tech. For today, we're going to be showing you how to download Apex Legends on the PC. This is a fairly simple process, so we're going to jump right into it. So you're going to want to start by opening up a web browser. I have Google Chrome as my default because it is the best. I don't have a tutorial for that, but just download it. And we're going to go into the search bar and search Apex Legends download. I'm not even going to include the PC. Search that in Google. The top results here is the one you're going to want to click on. So EA.com is the creator of Apex Legends. So we click on that and it brings us to the EA site for Apex Legends. So you have here in the top right corner, download for free. You can choose whichever platform you want to download it on. Of course, we're downloading for the PC, so I'm going to click on Origin on PC. And that downloads the installer here in my bottom left-hand corner. So once that's finished, we're going to go ahead and open that up. All right, now that Origin has opened up, we're going to go ahead and install. All of these, I'm just going to leave the same: create desktop shortcut, create start menu shortcut. I don't have any problems with that. I'm just going to leave that all the same. I'm going to mark that I have read and accepted the end user license agreement and click continue. All right, now that we've finished downloading, we're going to sign in with our EA account. All right, my profile activity and friends can be viewed by everyone. Yes, sure, why not? All right, now that we have the Origin downloaded and we're logged in, we're gonna select whatever your language is. Obviously mine is English. And then we get to choose where we want to install Apex. I am actually going to change this. This will usually be fine for whatever you have currently set up. Now that I have a selected file, I'm going to go ahead and click next. I'm going to say I read all of these things. And then there we go. We are now downloading the game at about 8 megabytes per second. This will obviously change based on your internet speeds and the download speeds of the server. And now when that's done downloading, it'll show up here as complete in my game library. And all you need to do is click play and jump into the game. Thanks for tuning in. Now remember to like and subscribe so you can get more of this action.